Puppy Show by Sally Carson. Illustrated by Carol Kaminsky. Abby and Caleb giggled as the puppies jumped around them, but Mom looked serious. Raising puppies is a big job, she said. Puppies need food and water. They need walks and baths. Most of all, they need to learn to behave or act properly. Caleb picked up his wiggling puppy. Wiggling, moving and twisting back and forth. "Don't worry," Caleb said. "Puppy training is our 4-H project." 4-H, a club for boys and girls. "We can start tomorrow." "Yes," said Abby. "When the puppies are 6 months old, they can enter the puppy show. My puppy will win." Come, sit, heel. The next day, the children put leashes on the puppies. When the puppies tried to run away, Caleb and Abby called, "Come," and pulled on their leashes. Stay, leash. As soon as the puppies learned one command, the children taught them a new one. Now and before. Some actions happened in the past, and some happen now. Action words help you understand when things happen. Now, pull. Past, pulled. Now, learn. Past, learned. Wag, wagged. Stay, stayed. Call, called. No chewing, chewing. Barking, no barking. Caleb and Abby practiced with the puppies for a short time every day. The puppies were a real handful. The first thing they learned was the word no. After each training time, Caleb and Abby played with the puppies. The puppies wagged their tails. They liked learning. That was a good thing. Mom told the children, "Before you know it, it will be time for the puppy show." Idioms. A real handful. Something hard to control. Before you know it, in a short time. On the day of the show, all the 4-H club members walked their puppies around the ring. The puppies heeled, sat, stayed, and came when they were called. Abby was right. Her puppy did win. Every puppy won a prize.